Hello and welcome to the channel. In the previous video, we have seen what different types of prompt templates are. In this tutorial, we'll create a sales email prompt template that can be used throughout the org. Let us begin. Sales email prompt template. Now, as the name suggests, it helps the sales team draft and send personalized emails to the customers. Let us create a sales email prompt template in our org. For this, we need to follow these steps. We have to enable the Einstein Settings, create the prompt template, ground that template with the CRM data, that is, we are going to use the merge fields in this case, preview that prompt template and test it. This is our org. Go to setup. We'll first check if all the Einstein settings are in place. Enter Einstein setup, click on Einstein setup, make sure turn on Einstein is enabled. Then search for Einstein for sales. It is important that the toggle for turn on sales email and the add email prompt instructions, both of these are enabled. We are now going to start building our template. Search for prompt builder, click on prompt builder, new prompt template. Select the prompt template type, it is sales email in this case. Write a prompt template email. Send email to customer about the case. Template description, the recipient, it's a contact or lead. We are going to keep it as a contact, and related object. We are going to send email to the customer related to the case. So the object is, in this case, it is the case. Click on next. So this is the prompt template workspace. This is where you provide the instructions. Now you need to write clear instructions that describe what is needed from the LLM. So let us write, please send email to customer about the case with these details. I want to include the case number, case description, case priority, and say the recipient name, because this email will be sent. This is a template and it can be reused all over, so you can send it to multiple recipients. So the recipient name, the sender name, maybe that's it. So these are the placeholders. We are going to add our CRM data, our Salesforce data to this email so that it is personalized. In resources, we can fetch the information we want about the record and its related fields which we want to merge in this template. So this is the placeholder. If we keep the cursor next to it, case number, in the resource search case, that's the object, and you have the fields related to the case which you can add it to your template. So case number, then comes the case description. Again, the object is case and description. Priority is again a field on case, case priority. Recipient name, now recipient is another resource which is here, and I'm going to add the first name of the recipient. Sender name is again sender in the resource, and let's say we add the first name. So what you can do is select the object and the related fields you want to include in the template, and you can add it through this resource section here. Just search for the object and the field and add it to the template. On the right hand side in the configuration section, you have the model type. It is either standard or custom. You can select one of the models provided here. I'm going to go ahead and select OpenAI GPT-4. Let me save this and also activate. You have to remember that activating a prompt template is immutable. After activating, when you make any changes, you need to save it as a new version, because now here the option of here you can't see the option save, whereas it is save as. So you can save it as a new version or a new template, and you need to activate it again. It is just similar like the flow. Okay. So recipient, I have a contact called Stella Pavlova. Related record, it's a case record which is on this contact field. Let us try and figure out what it is. Stella Pavlova. If you go to cases, I'm going to select this case. So the recipient is this contact and the related record is the case on that contact. The next step is to click on preview and check what the LLM has created as a template for us. So click on preview. Here you can see resolution. It is what instruction we are passing to the LLM. This is what we have written here, right? After I have added the recipient and the related record, it has fetched in my Salesforce data, the recipient name, sender name, what the case description was, what's the case number, and the priority. Response is what template is created using our instructions. So this is the email that got constructed. It looks good to me. I didn't write it. It is important to go through it and review. Now we are not sending the email yet. So using the prompt template we created, email can be sent with just one click, and let us see how. Go to the contact. Here you have email composer on the right hand side. Click on that. Now you are not going to type the email. We have done that in the template. We are going to use the template to send the email to this Stella Pavlova, our contact. Here you can see draft with Einstein. Click on that. Use pre-made instructions. It will give a list of the templates we have created in the prompt builder. This is the one, send email to customer about the case. This is what we have created just now, and we are going to use this, and the case record is this one. So what we are doing is sending an email to this contact related to this case record. Click on continue. Yes, now it is important you read everything. Looks good. Click on done. This is where you send the emails. So I can click on send. That's it. So your email has been sent to this contact. So this is what a sales email prompt template is. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.